Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our daily lesson. Today we're gonna learn solving proportion equation, how to solve proportion equations. So our first example says, example 1, we're given x over 6 equals 1 over 2. So what we're gonna do is two ways. So sometimes we cross multiply, or we're gonna multiply the lowest common multiple. So we cross multiply this one to that one and this one to that one. That's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is if we multiply the lowest common multiple equal 1 over 2, and in this case we're gonna multiply 6 is the lowest common multiple both sides by 6. So 6 will cancel, so this 6 and that 6 will cancel, so the x equals 6 over 2, which is 3. So this way is better. So if we cross multiply, we're gonna get the same answer. Now we're gonna cross multiply. So this one is good. So 2 times x is gonna be 2x, and then 6 times 1 will be 6, and then we divide this one by 2, and then this side by 2. So x equal 3. And now we're gonna check our statement. So x must be 3. So they said, and x over 6 equal half, and then x we get 3 over 6 must be half, and then this one we're gonna reduce because we divide by 3 both sides, denominator and numerator by 3, and then 3 divided by 3 is gonna be 1, and then 6 divided by 3 is gonna be 2. Therefore half equals half, which is correct. So so this one is going to produce the same thing. So whatever, if we just do it, so it's going to be same answer anyway. So this one, is correct, because 3, if we substitute to the x, so it's going to be 3 over 6. Then we have to divide 3 over 6 is going to be half, because we have to divide this one by 3 and this one by 3. So half equals half, which is correct. So basically when they say in cross multiply, means they multiply in the lowest common multiple. Why? Because 6, if we multiply both sides, so this one comes from 6 times 6, 6 times 1, and then this one 2 times 3. So if one will cancel out the other, if we did this one here 6, so 6 cancel out 6, and then 6, then it's 1/3. So that's the way it is. Our second example says, example 2, we given 3 over x equal 2 over 4. So now 4 and x, we're gonna multiply 4 and 4x both sides. So yeah, we're gonna do both ways. So then we're gonna be familiar with it. Okay, so this one 3 over x equal 2 over 4. So this one we cross multiply. This one we're gonna cross multiply, and this one cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, 3 times 4 is gonna be 12, equals to x times 2 is gonna be 2x, and then we have to divide by 2 here, and this one by 2. So therefore x must be equal to 6. So when we cross multiply, so now if we multiply both sides by 4x, this one 4x, and then this one 4x, so this one will cancel the x alone, and then 4 times 3, here we're gonna get 4 times 3, which is equal, this one the 4 is cancelled out, and then 2 times x is going to be the same, one step extra anyway. So this one will be 12, and then this one is 2x, and then you divide this one by 2, this one by 2, 6 equal x. So x is 6, because 3 over 6 is half. 2 over 4 we have to reduce, is going to be half as well. Yeah, 2 over 4 is half. So that's our second example. Then our third example says, we given, yeah, this one is interesting. X over 2 equals 2 over x. So two ways is good. Yeah, so this one we cross multiply. This one we're gonna multiply that one, and this one we're gonna multiply to this one, or we're gonna do the other one, which is and x over 2 equals 2 over x. We multiply both as 2x here, and then this one 2x. So this one 2 is will cancel. This one 2 is cancel out. So x times x is gonna be x squared, which is equal, this one x cancel, and then 2 times 2 is gonna be 4. And then we're gonna square root, x squared, we have to square root, and then 4 we must square root. So x is gonna be 2. So x and x is gonna be 2. Yeah, so x is 2, and then we can check if we want. So x is must be 2, and then check. X over 2 equals 2 over x, and then we get x the place 2 over 2 equals 2 over 2, which is 1 equal 1. Yeah, so this statement is correct. Yeah, x is 2. So if we multiply straight, this one cross multiply, it's the same thing. Yeah, x squared equal 4, and then we square root x squared equal square root of 4. So x equal 2, which is correct. So that's the way you can do. Yeah, both ways is good. Yeah, so whatever you prefer. Yeah, cross multiply or multiply the LCM. But LCM is better. Why? Because when we do in fractions, we need it. Fractions. Yeah. Example 4. Example 4, we given x plus 2. X plus 2 divided by 2 equal 4 over x. So this one, yeah, we just cross multiply for this one. So already we know how to do it. So whatever you prefer. So this one we're gonna cross multiply. So what we're gonna say, x plus 2 times x equals 2 times 4. So x times x will be x squared, because this x we have to multiply to the x, and then we have to multiply to the 2. So x times x will be x squared. X times 2 will be plus 2x equal 8. And then we subtract both sides by -8. So negative 8 this side, and then this side -8. So this one will be x squared plus 2x minus 8 equal 0. A 0. So we have to get two numbers. When we multiply, it's -8. When we add, is plus 2. So numbers are 4 times 2. But which one is negative? Then 4 must be positive. Why? Because plus 2 we must get us. So 2 is negative. So inside would be 4 minus 2. Plus 4 minus 2. This one is plus. So what we gonna write, x plus 4 times x minus 2 so x is equal to -4 Yeah, all this equals 0, and x equal -4 or x equal 2. So we're gonna use x equal 2 because it's positive. So and if we check our equation, let's see. Yeah, so we get x equal to 2, and then we substitute to check. If x is equal to 2, so equation says x plus 2 over 2 equal 4 over x. So x we have to substitute by 2, so 2 plus 2 over 2 equal 4 over 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 over 2 equals 4 over 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 equals 2. So our solution x is 2 is very good. It's correct. Have a great day, everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.